Welcome. On this video, we're going to check how to set up the exchange Phemex using the bot. Once you're in the website and logged in, navigate to bot settings and scroll all the way to Phemex. Once you find Phemex, just open the instructions and follow step by step. Start by hitting the link API Management. Create new API and hit Create New API key. Use the recommended option for high rate limit. Enter name and your IP address. Then select permission as read and trade. And once authenticated, your API key is created. Now you just copy the API key and copy the secret. And now we are ready to test the bot. So now navigate to contracts and USDM perpetual. Make sure the account is funded and navigate to XRP USDT. On this exchange, it's very important to make sure the configuration is set up to position mode, one-way mode. So once that is done, you scroll down to positions, and now let's execute the test trade, which is going to open an XRP long position of size 1 and close it automatically after a few seconds. So we can just hit execute and watch the exchange. The XRP position is open and closed after a few seconds. That means the bot is ready to trade. Now you can just scroll down, activate the bot, and happy trading.